Good afternoon, everyone. Today's lesson is going to be on slope. So slope is equal to the rise over the run. Now, basically, we're trying to figure out how steep is the line. So let's say we have a line here, and I'm just going to draw 3 points. And let's say we have 1 point here, and then we have another point right here. So we draw our line. And the question is, what is the slope of this line? So you always want to start on the left. Notice that this point right here is at the left bottom. And notice you're going to have to go up. So this is a positive slope. If the line started right here, the first point, and then came down here, then that would be a negative slope. So let me erase these two so we don't get confused on our problem now. All right, so from this point, we're going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4. So our rise is 4. Then we go over with our run 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 over 4, and you can simplify that, and that's just going to be 1. So slope is 1 or 4 over 4, but usually if you can reduce the fraction, go ahead and reduce it. So the slope here is 1. Now there's a slope formula for this, and this formula is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So, for example, let's say we have the coordinates 1 and 4, and then we also have -5 and 2. So you can label these to help you out. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So now you just follow the formula and you plug in the numbers and then you solve. So y2 is going to be 2 minus y1, 4, all over x2, -5, minus x1, 1. So 2 minus 4 changes this to addition. The 4 changes to negative, and that's going to be a -2 over -5, change to addition, change the 1 to a negative. -5 plus a -1 is a -6, and we have to reduce that. So -2 divided by 2 gives us a -1. Then we have -6 divided by 2, -3. A negative divided by a negative is positive, so your answer is going to be 1/3. That is going to be your answer for this. So this is how you find the slope of a line. The formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Just plug in the numbers and solve, and that's how you get your slope. And then lastly, and just realize I want to show how you can have a negative slope from the graph. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's say your point's right here. Now I'm going back to the very first example. I want to show you a different way. Let's say you have 2 points here, and then the question asks you, what is the slope or what is the steepness of this line? Now notice you start from left to right. Since our point is in the left bottom corner, so you're going to go up, rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 4 over 5. Now, one more example. I'm going to show you, and this is actually, I was trying to show you a negative example, but I ended up doing another positive one. So I need to show you how to do the negative. So here we go. Let's say your point starts here. And then you have another point that's right here. And then the question asks you, what is the slope of this line? Well, you start on the left. Notice how your point is in the left upper quadrant. So you're going to count down 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's -4 because you went down 4. Then you go over 1, 2, 3, 4. -4 and 4. That gives you a slope of -1. So that's how you do slope. If you have a graphic, you just count the 2 points, rise over run, or if it's negative, it's going to be fall over run. And the formula, of course, is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. And I will upload a worksheet for slope shortly.